Hello, beautiful people. Yeah, it's a girl here again, and I've come with this beautiful styles for you and for your girls. Yeah, I would like you to watch this video to the end, and towards the end of this video, there is a tip. Yeah, there is a tip here. So you need to watch this video so you can get a tip of how to do this style. Yeah, I did it various method. Yeah, especially the high bun. I did it in various methods, in various steps, in various styles. Yeah. So you need to watch to the end of this video to see the other method I use to get a perfect bun. Yeah. See ya. Catch ya. Yeah, so this is another way you can do this eye bun. Yeah, if you watch the video and you see from the beginning that I didn't have to weave it this way I was doing at the first instance, but here I'm trying to weave it, and then you're going to get a firmer bun. Like if you're going to be maybe tying a gear or something, you need to do this so it doesn't get scattered easily. Yeah, so and this is the tip that I have for you. Yeah, so you have to make it a bit firmer by weaving the tip of the hair, and then you fold it in. Yeah, just watch as I do it in this video. Yeah, if you want it bigger, you just release it a bit, but if you want it a bit firmer, you need to make sure your hands are well tight. Yeah, you pin them well. Yeah, so that is it. I hope you love this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. It would help me and it would go a long way. Yeah, I know it's a lot of sacrifice from you, but please do this for me, and I'll keep bringing the content that will be useful, yeah, in our daily lives. Yeah, it's important. Yeah, so guys, for those who have subscribed, thank you so much. I'm really grateful. And for those who will subscribe after this video, thank you, and thank you so much also. You guys are my real G. Yeah, and have a wonderful time. Yeah, see ya in my next video. Catch ya, and